Hello, scientists. If you were unable to join class today, which is Tuesday or Wednesday, March 2 or 3, to do Module 20, you're missing out on some really great review for our test, which will be a week from today. So either next Tuesday or next Wednesday, depending on what class period you're in. So I want to make sure that you are still getting the review to be prepared for that upcoming test. So first, let's talk about Monday's module. Monday's module is very important because it gives you the study guide for this unit. And this time, here's a video with my directions, but this time your study guide is a Google Slides with 9 pages. So each page contains about a question. I'm sorry, 8 pages, not 9. And we're going to do it in chunks. So already you should have done pages 1, 2, and 3. And in class, we're going to go over the answers. So you're going to miss out a little bit on pages 1, 2, and 3. But still important to do them, and reach out to me if you have questions, if you're getting stuck, if you don't know what to do. For instance, if you don't know the difference between potential and kinetic, look it up in your notes, or if you're missing notes, look it up online and read a little bit about potential and kinetic to jog your memory. If you're struggling to figure out the difference between these, use process of elimination. So figure out the ones you do know, and then it'll be easier to figure out the ones that are left over. And then these 2 problems are math problems. So if you do not remember the steps to do this, give them a try, and then reach out to me and ask me to check them, and I can give you some helpful comments and hints. As for today's module, so we're going to go to modules and go to warm-up 20. So warm-up 20 is for energy resources, and it is an advertisement. So you're going to pick one of the energy resources that you like, that we've learned about, one that you think is a good one, and you're going to write a 10-word advertisement about why we should use this energy source. So if you could narrow it down to 10 words, what makes solar so great, or whatever it is you think. And you can use your notes that you took last week when we shared out about energy resources. This is not something that you can do on your own, but something that you can do on your own. I'm going to have you guys complete the self-paced PearDeck that we did in class today. So you can do what this is saying. Go to joinpd.com and enter this code. And so I'm going to keep this up for the next couple of days so you can get this review in. So the code is ZTZ CKG. ZTZ CKG. So in this PearDeck, you'll have some practice with heat transfer, conduction, convection, and radiation. You'll have some practice with potential and kinetic energy and all the different sources of energy, and a little bit of drawing about chemical energy, which is one that we struggle with sometimes. Okay, so that is module 20 for you. Please do your best to show up for module 21, which will be your last chance to review.